Hey everyone, Kel here with Kel's Shenanigans. That's right, you'll never know what you're going to find on one of my videos. But I can promise it's going to be clean, sometimes funny, and always entertaining. Welcome to my life. You'll find that there may be some collaborators here, so we will check them out later on the video. If not, well, you're stuck with me, myself, and I. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the video. Okay, y'all. Coming to you inside my dryer. Okay. We're going to get a lesson on how to clean a dryer vent. It's not enough to pull this doohickey out of the vent. It's not enough. So, take it out. Take 4 screws out, 2 in the inside, 2 on the outside, and lift this guard off. Okay? Disgusting. Wait till you see what comes out of this sucker. Fine dirt. Probably from the beach, my driveway. I got a waistband right next to me. Y'all, this is gross, okay? And I thought I got it all. And I already pulled this much out. So if I find any money, it's mine. Oh. Screwdriver bit. And a nickel for my trouble. And a penny. Now, that's gross. Now to get the vacuum cleaner. You gotta vacuum this stuff out. Otherwise, it will never get out of your hose system. Words of lies, don't suck up your nuts or your screws. Nickel, penny,
Y'all, that was about a gallon of lint and dirt. The machine says to clean this out every day. I do that. That was a fire waiting to happen. So do yourself a favor. Clean it out. I don't care, once a quarter, every 6 months. Keep yourself out of the fire hazard zone. See ya.
Thanks for watching, everybody. My cat Millie over there is still sleeping through the video. So, I can't help but thank you enough. A big shout out to all my subscribers out there and all who gave a thumbs up and made nice comments. Y'all rock. So please share my shenanigans so we can make this a better place to do life. Love ya. God bless ya. And I'm praying for ya. Later, friends.